we crossed this line
Yeah.
8 months back, 12 months back.
Guys, after nearly 1 year, here we are. Manang yun mo koy, bati agi Andre koy, na garbage. Lots of garbage. I don't know why people are throwing their garbage everywhere. The owner is not staying here. That's why this is private lot, by the way. See that Indian house over there? Singapore. We're now at the main road. Francis and Babu already there. We're going to the Crocolandia Park. We'll see some of the animals walking under the heat of the sun, guys. I don't know why they don't want to take cab, e-bike, or tricycle. Palis at ice cream! Koy! Palis at ice cream dira. 7-Eleven sa takadiyot para natay kanon maglakaw. Huh? I told Francis we'll stop by at 7-Eleven. Hello guys, Ate GB's here. Hello, good afternoon. Together with Francis and Babu. 3D. No, that one is not real. Babu, is it real?
It's real.
Yeah, Babu, it's real. It's really real. Crocodiles are like that. They will not move. But once you give them chicken like that, they will move.
No one is here.
It's good na. Guys, we are here at Crocolandia. Where? I will ask the... Oh. Kuy, tinood ni Koy, dili. Huh? Babu, this is not real, na?
You sure?
Yes, the real is in there, inside.
It's not real.
It's not real. No, it's not real.
Okay.
Oh, the tongue is moving or not? It's not real na. That's fine. Where are them? Oh, they are.
No toys. Turtle.
Turquoise.
Tortoise, turtle, same lang.
Oh, they're swimming. Cute swimming.
Acho, acho.
I wish they have.
It's in the snapping turtle, I think.
They are Chinese turtle.
Snapping also is there.
See? What's the name?
Who is here? No one? No one is here.
The crocodile is there. See, moving his head. He's moving his head. Hello, baby crocodile. It's just a baby, na. Baby crocodile, hello.
Turtle, where are you?
You can. This is endemic, so you cannot find other countries.
It's only in Philippines.
Endemic. Catfish. Find in Mekong River. Where are the catfish?
Oh, I know this one. I know this. These are in our place also. Catfish.
Oh.
They are dangerous one. They can eat anything, you know, like.
Oh, so cute. They're endemic to the
Hello.
Philippines. See, they are BBs. They're swimming. So cute. You saw them? I will put my camera inside. Where are they? Okay. Oh, why they are color yellow?
Koi.
Yellow?
Koi.
I thought koi are
Koi
orange.
can become much big.
Si Babu, if I have a vast land, I would have to have this in my outside of my house, right?
There's one alligator there.
They don't want to leave. Picture ta tulo bidali. Kita na ko anak ko eh. Uy, lain diri. Uy, unggoy no. I'm searching for monkey. Then the monkey, I saw there the monkey. Francis, I'm searching my monkey. I saw one monkey there. Handsome monkey.
Okay lang gamit ko.
Trey, you're not monkey, Trey. You're very handsome.
Akong kung
Oh, guys, you see?
ano day ko.